Hey students, I am posting a video to go over the agenda and schedule for our Wednesday block day classes. So first and foremost, Mr. Blackard should be your substitute for the day, and I have gone over with him the agenda, but wanted to make sure I go over with you as well. So when you get into class, you are going to first complete the analysis questions for the Bill of Rights and Universal Declaration of Human Rights that we did on Tuesday. Your chart should be completed, and then you can work on these analysis questions with a partner. Be ready to share your responses on Friday. When you get done with this assignment, feel free to turn it into your Global Studies folder or your homework folder in the classroom. Once you're done with this, we're going to begin our next project, which is a school-wide lesson where all Global Studies classes, along with other English, math, and science classes, do a project to spread the word to end the word. The theme this year is Rock Respect, so you will be researching a famous person who has a disability. You can use this site here, and with a partner or individually, you will follow these steps and create a presentation for your famous person who has a disability. The sub will be handing out these directions for you. Please follow them closely as they are pretty straightforward. This site right here will give you a list of individuals who are famous and also have a disability. This is what the site looks like. You can go through and you can click on a particular disorder, and then it will give you a link of individuals who are famous and have that disability. Once you've chosen your disability and famous person, you are going to create a presentation. This is an example I've put together for you. You can use this example or you can create your own and follow the steps. I put some information I'm going to read to you real quick. Spread the Word and the Word is a movement which takes place at our school focused on ridding the use of the negative R word and replacing it with the positive R word of respect. In order to raise awareness, we participate each year in the school-wide lesson organized by Ms. Baumgartner, showcasing, recognizing, and promoting discussions about those with disabilities, identifying as a school how we are all much more similar than different from one another. This is an amazing opportunity to work with others in the building, showcase your work at our school-wide assembly, learn about disabilities of those around the world, and most importantly, show off your respect. We will be voting on Friday to determine which presentations we believe showcase Rock Respect the best on Friday. And again, you can use this link to get started. I've gone through each step for you so you can read what requirements go in each slide. Pretty straightforward. If you have questions about the assignment, obviously just send me an email. I will be posting everything to Google Classroom, so you will be able to find the analysis questions and the documents here for the first part, and then I will be posting this video as well as the Rock for Respect directions and example. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you Friday. Thanks.